to look. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Aylin, and in this video I'm going to be doing a skin tint review starring Glossier. Now this is my first time buying from this brand, so I thought, okay, let me see how it is. Now the reason I have two different shades is because when I originally bought it, I originally bought this one, but I didn't like how it looked, and I had hit them up and I was like, hey, I want to return this and get a darker shade. They were like, you know what, keep it, and we're gonna send you the darker shade. So I was like, you know what, I got 2 for 1. But I think it's good that I have 2 different shades, because as a brown girl in the winter time, I'm very pale, so this will come into handy. This will come in handy when I need to add some brightness to my skin. And in the summertime, of course, I get a little bit more chocolatier, so this one will come in handy as well in the summertime, because it's already hot. I live in Georgia, so it's already hot, and it's like I don't want too much on my face because I'll have to put in extra work in my skincare routine, so I might as well just get something that's kind of light. As a person with sensitive, oily skin, this does come in handy to if you want a dewy, and it's buildable as well. Like, you can, the more you put on, of course, the more it's gonna cover your face. And this is also good for people who do not want to cover up their moles or their natural highlights, or just certain marks on their skin that they want to keep there, you know, that makes them unique or whatnot. So I know years ago people were talking about BB creams and CC creams and matte foundations and stuff, and me, I was never that type of person, because I look like an egg if I do like foundation, because it makes me too smooth, and it's like I still want to have some type of natural to my face. So skin tint is kind of the new wave, and I've been hearing a lot more about Glossier. Well, I first heard about them because they were trying to charge $13 for some lip gloss that you could get from the beauty supply store for $1. That's when I first heard about them. So then once I seen the skin tint and then all the other stuff that they offer, I'm like, oh, okay, this is good, you know. And then with the whole soft girl trend that is going around, I was like, you know, this could be nice for the little teenagers who don't, I mean, if you want to spend like, I think this is like almost $30, but you know, for the younger kids who want to wear makeup, but you know, their parents won't let them get into like the heavy stuff. So I'm going to be putting some of this on. Let me put it. So I'm gonna show you the difference in the colors. And it's like, if it's a skin tint, like, does the colors really matter? And I feel as though they kind of do, especially if the light hits you. Nobody wants flashback, no matter what the product is. So this is it. You see the difference, and they're like this. The darker one is G2, and the lighter one is G3. So just that one jump, you can see the difference. You see that? And it's not oily and it's not sticky, which I love. You see how that one is not going into my hand. But like I said, summertime, when I get my tan, it blends in perfectly nice. But we're gonna use the lighter one on my face. And if you can see my face, you know, I have a lot of marks. I have a beauty mark. You see I have a little oil right there. So look, first of all, let me wash my hands first before I put any of this on me. Okay, so here it is. Now, how long does this last? Oh, I think it's so good. I'll say it'll last a good minute. Like me, I'm a person, since I have oily skin, I like to add powder to my face and just like I just let my face bake majority of the time before I put this on. You see, it's so light. So I let my face bake before I put this on. But if you're a person that wants to add powder, you can add powder. Ooh, I feel like I'm painting my face. But you can add powder just to make it last a little bit longer. Of course, I add powder because I'm oily, but let me let that fall down. It's light. Oh, it looks magic. So as you can see, of course, you gotta get the neck. We don't want to have a mask on. So I like this because I usually use a CC cream, like the color correct, that's what they call it. So I have to use that. That will be like my go-to. But if I don't want to use that, but I still want to make myself look kind of made up, of course, lashes, gloss, maybe something on my eyes, and I add a little bit of this, and it looked like I put on a whole nother skin. Like, look how bright, look, you see that glow? Look how bright my skin looks. Don't you love it? We love it over here. But you can see that. You see the dark one. Ooh, let's do a contour. You see how dark that is? But that's how dark my skin gets in the summertime. But I just did that just so you can see how it looks. Cause me, I have dark marks all over my face. Life of a black girl. But I have dark marks. So it's good if I want to cover those up. And like I said, it's nothing too heavy. It does last for hours. And what I've noticed after a couple of hours, it really like blends into your skin. Yo, I'm just glowing. Look. So it really blends into your skin, and like I said, it's buildable. So if you want to add more, you can add more to cut. Like I would add more on my sides to cover up some of those marks that I have on my sides, or just to add more to still have that natural look but still have somewhat coverage if you're a person that wants your skin to look. So yeah, I'm glowing or whatnot. So that's my melanin in a bottle. I call it melanin in a bottle because it just makes my melanin pop or whatnot. Of course, they have different shades. Like I said, the product is like almost $30, but I would say it is worth it because I usually don't spend a whole bunch of money on makeup, but go for it. It's real nice. Like, I want to know. I really want to know what the next thing would be other than skin tint. Like I know just like primer, some people just do straight primer. Also, I wanted to add, like, I moisturized my face and I primed it before I had put the skin tint on. But I really fucks with it. Like, don't you see my skin is glowing? Oh my gosh. Let me blend it down more. But thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos as well. I will see you in the next video.